Minecraft Preview, the newest beta. I am running it on my PS5 right now, and again, I'll show you guys how to download it. Give me one quick sec here, and how to download it right now, if you guys can. And if you can't, then that just means you guys don't have access to it. But I do. Somehow I do. I don't know how, but I have access to it. Who knows? Maybe it really is out, and Mojang just didn't announce anything yet. I don't know. I don't know how I'm able to run it. Because surprisingly, Mojang didn't say anything about it. So maybe I somehow got it early, before anyone else. You need to go into settings. You need to click settings. Scroll all the way down. Get Minecraft PlayStation 4 Preview. Click on that. And then it'll take you to this. It'll take you to Minecraft Preview, PS4, PSVR, and also you see that? See that little beta word? Beta. Release 11/27/2023 by Mojang. Minecraft PlayStation VR is not used for by children under age 12. Minecraft Preview is only available to players who own Minecraft. Preview allows you to experience unleashed upcoming Minecraft features, fresh from the development team at Mojang Studios. Please note the following information about Minecraft Preview. You will not have access to realms and will not be able to join non-preview players' games. Most settings, include family settings, will not be preserved from the retail version of Minecraft. Any worlds played in Preview will not transfer to the retail version of Minecraft. Any content you own in the Minecraft marketplace will work in Preview. Preview builds may be unstable and do not represent final version quality, which currently at the current moment it isn't really that unstable. It actually runs really well. There is I didn't know this. There's a one-time license fee for play on accounts designated primary PS4 system. Oh, so you can't game share this. Huh. Well, there you go, guys. You can't game share this. If it's not out for you guys, you're just gonna have to wait, because I'm not willing to game share my account for this. And even then, it doesn't look like you're even gonna be able to, because there's a one-time license fee for playing. And I already got the license, so yeah. That's Preview right there. Now I'm gonna click in this. I'm going to relaunch Preview. Give me 1 second. See, there you go. This is the latest preview. Preview 1.20.70.24. Render Dragon GNM PSSL PlayStation _5 _EMU. I'm guessing that the end part is emulation. That's my guess. FPS 60, server time 0.0, new memory 511, highest memory 128. That's interesting. Oh wait, it's because I'm not running the world. Never mind. Free memory 1881. Discovery production GUI scale 6.0. Resolution scale 3840 x 2160. I'm basically running in 4K right now. So yeah, that's why the resolution's higher than 1080p or 1440p, because I'm running in 4K. I always run 4K on my PS5 no matter what. But anyways, yeah, this is Preview. I am literally right now running a legitimate copy. I don't know if you guys are able to do this, but again, if it does work, you can follow my steps on how to download it. Yeah. So, Crunchy Cookie, you were being a little oblivious when you commented that on Twitter. Please don't do that. That's not nice. when I literally have, I am playing on this right now, as you can see. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. And also, if you guys are newcomers, please subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Thanks. Peace out.